Friends, today we will learn to write a Java program that will print the Pythagorean triplets in the range 1 to 10. So we must know what is Pythagorean triplets are. Pythagorean triplets are those numbers, the three numbers that satisfies the Pythagorean or Pythagorean theorem. That is, a square plus b square is equal to c square. On the right hand side, you will find a right angle triangle where I have marked leg A, leg B, and that is the hypotenuse. So, a square plus b square is equal to c square. Here a means leg A, b is leg B, and c is actually hypotenuse. For example, the very common example of Pythagorean or Pythagorean triplets are 3, 4 and 5. How? Just check it out. A square plus b square is equal to c square. Now let us do one thing. 3, 4 and 5. Let us do the square of 3, that is 9. Square of 4 is 16 and square of 5 is 25. Now if you add them, that is a square plus b square. Are you getting c square? Yes. Therefore, 3, 4, 5 satisfies the Pythagorean theorem. Now here are some examples that forms Pythagorean triplets, that is 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, 7, 24, 25, 11, 60, 61. These are all odd numbers, and one even number also have shown, that is 8, 15 and 17. Right? Now this is my BlueJ window. The editor is open and I have written a code, public class Pythagorean triplets, and there you have a main method, and here's simple, step by step I'll go. The first thing I'm showing you, that if I run a loop that starts from 1 and it goes till 10, what would be the output? Okay, so for c is equal to 1, c less than equal to 10, c plus plus, and in the loop body I have printed c. Just guess the output. So I asked you the output of the program that just now I have written. I think you guessed it right. You are smart enough to give me that answer. Anyway, this is what the answer is. It will print 1, 2, 3, 4 till 10. Okay, so on the screen you will find the same program but with a little modification. Just before the loop, I have added another loop, that is B loop. For b is equal to 1, b less than equal to 10, b plus plus. Now guess what would be the output of this program. So here is the output. For each value of variable b, the C loop will go 10 times. You can see the output on the screen. So again, on the screen you will find some modification, that is, I have added another loop before b loop. That is, for int a is equal to 1, a less than equal to 10, a plus plus. Now, what these three loops will do? The outer loop is a. That is, for each value of a, it will print all the combinations of b and c. And inside, that is the innermost loop, you will give a checking. That is, the numbers that satisfies a square plus b square is equal to c square. Only those numbers will be printed. So you're writing what? If a into a plus b into b, a square plus b square, if it is equal to hypotenuse square, that is c square, then you're printing what? System.out.println a, okay, the number, the first number, backslash t will give a gap, that is it will print a tab, then b is getting printed, again a tab, and then the c is getting printed. In fact, this line is actually printing the Pythagorean triplets. Then you are closing all the methods and the class. So the last program you compile and you run the main method. When you run the main method, the output will appear on the terminal window, and you see all the Pythagorean triplets in the range 1 to 10 has been printed. Okay, now friends, give this answer. If you want to see all the Pythagorean triplets from 1 to 100, then what modification you need to do in the above program? Please do comment. I'll be happy to know that you are learning Java very nicely. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep watching and keep programming. Do subscribe for all my latest videos. Thank you so much once again.